AmaSerena going down the Rhine River. I'm going to talk about stateroom placement. We do have the split balconies here. You've got the French balcony right here. Looking through the glass, have the standard balcony right next to the bed and a partition, and then the next room is just the opposite. It's got the standard balcony followed by the French balcony. So if you like cruising with friends, you can be out there and lean over the rail and chit and do whatever you want. And it's nice, but get this, you're only seeing one side of the river. You see those bikers going down, you see the villages, you see the castles that we keep passing over and over, however you want. But if you want to go see out the other side, you need to go out to a public area.
You make friends with your roommate.
Or we make friends! We make friends! So you go straight across the hallway, prop those doors open. In fact, you don't even have to prop them open. Go straight across, and here you go. You can see what's out their window on the other side. Vineyards all over here. Our side's been having castles, her side's been having vineyards, and we are set. So once again, got the French balcony on Ama Waterways, right next to the standard balcony. She's still got her shades, what it's like. These aren't kind either. They're good. You can pull them up, you can twist them. And what's been crazy for me is I will lay in my bed and I can see the mirror from the bed and it's reflecting, so I can see everything out there from bed as well if I need to. So just shows how easy it is to book directly across the room or directly across the hall with each other. We'll meet a friend. Hi. And there you go. So here you go. And if you do need to go outside, you can see it's not very long. I don't know, maybe 30 steps, and that's it. And if I need to go the other way to Chef's Table or the massage that I have at 1 o'clock, not a problem either. There's a gym down there, but I still can't find it. Cruise by Mandy, signing off.